Guam barbecue chicken. This is 3/4 cups or 150 grams light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons or 6.5 grams garlic powder, and a half teaspoon or 1.2 grams black pepper, with a handful of sliced yellow onions. If you've been to a Chamorro barbecue, you know. I prepped several bags already. This Guam CHamoru marinade recipe is linked in the description. Add the chicken before adding the soy sauce and vinegar. I'm mixing 2 cups or 473 milliliters of soy sauce and 2 cups or 473 ml of vinegar for 2 batches of the marinade. Stir to combine. Essentially, I'm using 1 cup or 237 ml of soy sauce and 1 cup or 230 ml of vinegar per bag. Squeeze the air out and seal. I save previously used bags so I can triple bag my marinade. I know, it's a lot, but I'm not cleaning up a marinade spill in my fridge. Shake the bag thoroughly to disperse and dissolve the ingredients. Marinate this Chamorro barbecue chicken for 24 hours in the fridge, turning the bag a few times. Taza tongan, Guam's barbecue wood, but we got charcoal. Fill the chimney or barbecue pit with charcoal. Using this chimney expedites the heating of the briquettes. Put paper on the bottom. Light the paper. Heat for about 25 minutes to where most of the briquettes are ashy gray and red. The charcoal is ready when you can see red burning through the coals near the top, and much of the white or gray smoke has dissipated. Empty the charcoal into the pit. And put the grill back on. Clean the grill if you have not already done so by scraping with the grill brush. Flip and clean as needed. Scoop the coals to one side so as to cook the chicken indirectly. Adjust the bottom airflow. Place the chicken on the grill, opposite the coals. Sometimes I cut slits into the drumsticks so they cook faster. Not today because I was lazy. You can smell this, right? There's nothing that smells better on a barbecue pit than chicken or meat in Chamorro marinade. Just close your eyes, Zumbi. That loud Chamorro music playing, the sun, coconut trees, people everywhere, cars everywhere. I miss the fiestas on Guam. Once all the chicken is in place, cover the grill with its dome. Adjust the airflow on the dome and on the base and cook for 20 minutes. Turn the chicken. Because I marinate my chicken for 24 hours, it's incredibly tasty, beautifully colored, and oh my goodness, I can't wait. Cover the grill and cook another 10 to 20 minutes depending on your heat. Once chicken is almost done, move directly over the coals to continue cooking and to char the outside. At this point, keep an eye on the chicken. Turn often to grill each side evenly and remove from direct flames as needed. I cannot wait to eat this with red rice and fina'denne and gollai appan and kelaguen. Check out more of my Guam CHamoru recipes in the description and at the end of this video. Oh my goodness, look at them. Check one piece for doneness. Chicken should easily peel apart, and it's done when it is no longer pink at the bone. I hope I've satisfied your Guam recipe cravings. Be sure to watch my other Guam food videos. Adios! I'm going to eat right now.